So for today's video, we are going to do a very quick clothing haul. My very first ever clothing haul in a very long time. Like the last one was probably, what, 6-7 years ago? Anyway, the goal of today's video is to check out Shein or Shein. I'm pretty sure it's Shein. Ang dami-dami nang gumawa ng clothing haul, ang dami-dami na rin gumawa ng mga shading haul, or yung exposing the truth about Shein. But anyways, that's a different topic. Pero ang goal natin ngayon is to check out kung worth it ba yung, alam mo yun, pagiging hyped niya, or is it overrated? Expectation versus reality. Umpisahan natin with this top right here. So this is the polka-dot print mock neck slim top. So it got me in the size large. So this is what it looks like. So this is polyester, like 95% polyester and 5% spandex. So ang fabric niya ay slight stretch. And I got this for 193 pesos, you guys. And honestly, I got the size large, but it's still too fitted for me, too small for me. Kung meron sana sigurong XL or double XL, I would really get that. Pero sinabi naman niya na slim fit siya. So if you're into fitted tops, you will probably like this one. And I like na stretch siya. I got this for 193 pesos. So honestly, I'm going to give this 8 out of 10. Kasi medyo manipis din siya, guys. Like, medyo mahalata yung shape ng bra mo. Hindi naman yung like super itsura ng bra mo, pero yung shape lang. If you have black bra, makikita yon. If you have nude bra, that would be better for this top. Pero overall, 8 over 10. Kaya lang hindi ko rin pala ina-expect na medyo maano siya. Hindi siya ganun kahaba. Okay, 7 over 10. The next one is medyo hawig nun, pero this one is in black. And iba yung kanyang neck. This one is the mock neck lettuce trim rib knit tee. And I got this for 193 then. This one is also stretchable. 95% cotton, 5% spandex. And this one I would give 8 over 10 because medyo mas mahaba siya, which I like. Expectation versus reality, kind of close na rin to the expectation. And it looks pretty good on me. And for 193 pesos, pwede na siya dai. Next one is this top right here. This is the all-over heart print ruffle sleeve top. This is 100% polyester and non-stretch. And I got the size large. This is a pretty cute top, pero parang feeling ko hindi lang siya like ganun kabagay sa akin. Pero let's see if pinartner ko na siya with a jeans or probably, I don't know, shorts. I got this one for 211 pesos and sulit na rin siguro. Expectation versus reality. It's kind of close to the expectation. Pero pag tinapat mo siya sa araw, medyo sort of kind of like meron siyang 20% see-through. So be sure na pag sinuot mo to is well covered, well protected ka. Next one, I can't get enough of the heart print. So I got another blouse na heart print, pero iba naman yung style niya. So this is the all-over heart print cold shoulder ruffle detail top. Ang haba ng pangalan niya. I got the size large as well. Ganun din, like yung sa 100% polyester. Medyo malapit naman siya sa photo. Pero again, pag tinapat mo sa araw, meron pa rin makikita na very slight. So be sure na well protected ka. And what I love about this top, you guys, is meron siyang adjustable na strap. So, alam mo yun, pwede mong luwagan, pwede mong higpitan, or para mas mataas siya at hindi masyadong kita yung cleavage mo and all that, and yung gilid ng liki-liki. That's definitely a plus point for me. This is kind of cute. I like it. I'm going to give this a ito, and itong heart print na isa, I'm going to give them a 8 out of 10. For the price point na alam mo yun, 200 plus lang. Less than 250 pesos. Next one I got is this Romper right here. So this is the Ditsy Floral Tube Romper. And I got the size XL. This is also 100% polyester, non-stretch. And I kind of don't like it. Kasi in my memory, every time I wear a romper, medyo nakakomplement naman niya yung body type ko. Pero this one, I don't like it because it makes my ass look flat. Hindi siya like super duper flattering. Siguro dahil ito medyo yung length ng upper part is medyo maikli. Pero this is going to look cute with a jacket or a blazer on. Pero for my body type, it doesn't work. Masyadong maikli yung upper half. Expectation versus reality, pretty close to expectation. So I'm going to give this a 6/10. And again, dahil polyester, pag tinapat mo si ilaw sa araw, makikitaan ka. So make sure na well protected ka. Hindi lang basta bra and panty, like wear cycling. But if you like this, if this type of romper works for you, edi, yeah, I do recommend that you get it because I only got it for 253 pesos. And the last one I got is this dress right here. This is the all-over floral print low back slip dress. I got this for only 217 pesos, you guys. It's 100% polyester and non-stretch. What I love about this is meron siyang adjustable strap. So, pwedeng mong taasan siya for more coverage. Or pwede mong babaan para for a sexier, summery, flirty look. Pero, ito, medyo extra nipis niya, guys. So, again, cycling or perhaps, alam mo yon, a tube dress, fitted tube dress. Meron mong ganon. Happy sleep. Kasi ang nipis nga niya. So this is good to wear kapag nasa beach ka or around summertime. Pero kung susutin mo to sa mall or if you're gonna eat outside, kailangan meron kang something sa loob. So, I got this size large din. Pero it's pretty maluwag and pretty mahaba. So, medyo may tendency siyang magmukhang medyo duster-ish sa akin. Pero siguro if you're taller or model-like figure, baka this would really look good. I don't know. Pero I'm going to give it 7/10. Pero dahil ang nipis niya, sige 7/10. Pwede na yun. Kasi magkano lang ba? 217 pesos. Expectation versus reality. Itsura-wise, like print-wise, it's pretty close to the expectation. Alright, so yun na lahat ng aking clothing haul, you guys. This is just the first. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna try more. Kasi 50-50 yung opinion about Shein. Merong mga nagugustuhan kasi nga ang daming affordable. Meron naman nagsasabi na may nakukuha sila na hindi maganda yung tahe, hindi swak yung sizing. When it comes to the sizing, make sure na titignan mo yung size guide. Iba-iba dahil hindi siya like 100% accurate na kapag ka-large ka sa isang top, large ka na forever for all the other styles. Magkakaiba talaga. So, make sure na basahin mo yung comment section sa baba. Kasi marami doon ang nagbibigay ng review and nagsasend ng photo. So, magkakaroon ka ng idea kung swak ba yung sizing na yon for that style. But don't expect too much with the quality kasi merong, ayan o, merong iba may mga tastas na maliliit, mga tirang tela. Affordable siya, pero too good to be true. Asahan mo, merong slight palya here and there. But anyway, it was a good shopping trip. So, I will link everything down below in case you're interested. Next video natin, medyo, oh my god, kailangan mong abangan. Medyo pasabog. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!